Hi, my name is David, and today we're going to do an easy level LeetCode problem, binary search in JavaScript. So given a sorted in ascending order integer array nums of n elements and a target value, write a function to search target in nums. If target exists, then return its index, otherwise return -1. So here we get the array, the target is 9, the output is 4, because 9 is the fourth index inside of this. And the key for how we're going to solve this is that we're going to use pointers from left to right, and then we're going to search in the middle. And once we get the search in the middle, we compare the middle to the target. And if the target is higher, we know that the left stat side is not needed, and we just go to the right side. And the opposite will happen for true if it's smaller. So let's get started. First, we need to create the variables for the pointers. So create variable left as a left pointer. Next, we create the variable right as a right pointer. Create as a right pointer. And now we'll do a while loop so we can compare the numbers. We're going to keep comparing the numbers while the left pointer is less than or equal to the right pointer, because once it overlaps, we know that the target doesn't exist. Create while loop for while left is less than or equal to right. So inside of this while loop, we have to create the middle. So now we create middle variable. And that's going to be by getting the average of the right, the average of the get the midpoint of it. So we do that by adding the right to the left, divide by 2, and we're going to round down to be consistent by adding right and left, divide by 2, and round down. And now we're going to create a variable to hold the value as a potential match. Create potential match variable. And that's just going to be the index of the middle. So after that, we will create the conditions. Create condition to see if they're equal. So if they are equal, which is what we want, create condition if potential match is equal to target, we return the middle, which is the index we need. So otherwise, we create the other conditions if potential match is greater than target. We know that it's only going to be on the left side. So we only know it's going to be left side, so we change the right. Change right pointer to middle minus. And otherwise, we create the other one more condition if potential match is less than target. We know it's going to be the right side. We change left pointer to middle plus 1. And we go through this entire loop. The left gets equal to the right. We know that's not equal to each other, so we return -1 as instructed. Return -1. So let's do this. Let left equals, it starts at the 0 index, and then let right equals to the right index, which will be the length of the array minus 1. Now we will have to create the while loop. While left is less than or equal to right. And then inside of this, we're going to create the middle variable. That middle equals, so we round down to math.for That's a JavaScript method. And we're going to do left plus right and divide by 2. And now we're going to create the other variable, potential match. And this is going to get the value of it equals nums middle. Okay. Now we compare the numbers. If potential match is equal to target, we return middle. And now else if potential match is greater than target, we have to adjust the pointers. So this one, potential match is greater than target, we only go to the left side. So right equals middle minus 1. And now we do the opposite if it doesn't fit in that. Else left equals middle plus 1. And that's going to get you to the right half. And we're going to keep doing this loop until it finds a match. And if it doesn't, we exit the loop and we return -1. So let's run the code. Awesome, we got it. And now the time complexity, since we're doing binary search and we just go half and half each time, it will be O of log of n, and space complexity will be O of 1, since we're just having consistent variables. And that is how you solve it. Thank you.